Alright, welcome back everyone. Thanks for joining us. Getting some of the yard weeded down. Nothing like making them mad before we gotta check them. They're not too bad though. Some of them are. Those down there on the end, they're not very happy. I get asked about our setup that we're using, and I'll have a video on it here later. We're just going to do some inspections right quick, see what they're looking like, how everything's doing. We're going to be reducing them what we can. So it's September 2nd. Push those out of the way. We'll take that box off of there. And these little 7 frames, we're going to run them like this through the winter. We usually just do a single, just 7 right here. But we're gonna try these 7/7. It's 14 frames. See where they're at. Eventually these will be converted to the 7-frame Apame hives, and we will use them, and we will super with the wood hives. But this bottom part right here is going to be the Apame hive. I really like the installation of the Apames. Everybody that follows me on Instagram or on our Facebook account through our daily lessons of the Beehive, I talk about that. So what we're saying is there's a fall flow coming in right here, so they're backpacking or they're backfilling nectar. We got asters, we have our golden rods blooming right now, and you know, we're not going to harvest any of this. This is going to be for them. We left a lot of honey on them. Look at that solid brood right now. Old queen cell. Good amount of brood on them. They got the honey up here. Eggs. The white larvae. See if you guys can see that right there. White larvae, the capped brood. Queen's doing fantastic. Yard produced honey for us, and we got 2 splits from much of these, so that's good. They're starting to draw a little bit more right here. I figured on the fall flow they'll have this one filled up, so this way you just put in here, so they will get it. They'll get it filled up. This yard's usually pretty good, and see, nice white wax. They're filling these out. Drawing this one. People ask me all the time if you can draw wax late in the season. You can, but it takes a good flow or heavy feeding, or you know, strong healthy populations. You know, you're not going to be able to draw, or not in my area, probably a whole box of them, but you'll be able to get them drawn on a couple of frames. We always add in a few extra frames just for the when we do our summer splits back in you know, around the summer solstice. We will add a few bare foundations in here, and they'll usually get them going on our hives that are strong and everything. So they got food on them. That's one thing that you really want to keep an eye on right now, is their food. So we need to make sure that they got lots of food on them. We got this one. We'll probably set this one to the side. It's not drawn out all the way yet, as you can see. We'll see what they do. We'll put it on the outside though. We'll put it right here in the number 1 frame, or 7 or 10, or however you want to do it. Heavy frame. She's laying down here as well. Good pollen. This is probably the asters, the goldenrod coming in. Good, she's laying it up nice. Here's some bees. Right here, they're being born. So it's their birthday. Alright, well this one's looking good. Like I said, we'll let them build out this one. And then this one right here, we'll probably end up replacing before we go into the winter and pulling that one. And we'll get them a drawn out one and get it filled with food. But there we go. So looking good right there. Again, good nectar. Food on those other ones. Let's look down in the bottom. Got pollen here. Good amount of pollen coming in right here. Oh yeah, she's good. She's laying good. Eggs through down there. More pollen coming in. Cap brood. Good cap brood. She's backfilling all this right here. Healthy larvae. Oh yeah, young, healthy larvae, the white. That's what you want to see. Here's our queen. Right here. Beauty little golden girl. Right there, boy. See if you guys can see that nice white larvae. That's healthy. That's what you want it to look like. See that right there? Yeah, there you go. Right there. Swimming in food. That's good. That's what we like to see. That is how we want to see all of them. We'll put her back in there real carefully. Don't want to smash her. They are looking good though. They're doing great. Put this back on top. Plenty of food on them. We haven't fed these. We haven't treated them. That's just how we run them. These are both of these right here are summer splits around the summer solstice, so like June 21st. I hope you guys are doing good. Your bees are doing good, and thanks for watching. I think we finally hit like 600 followers, so awesome job on the YouTube thing. I'll keep the videos coming. I got to get better at them, but we'll get it all worked out and get it going for you guys. So we appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.